Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to consider how to factorize quadratic trinomial if the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. It's quite challenging, but it is really helpful super skill that helps you to solve questions easily and without wasting time on the algebraic operations. So let's have a look and find how this quadratic trinomial converted to 2x plus 3 and x plus 7. Let's learn and improve this super skill. First of all, let's make this x shape. Now in the left side, we're writing the products of two terms that give us 2x squared. So it is 2x and x, yeah? No any others with the integer coefficients, only 2 and 1, yeah? 2x and 1x. Okay, now on the right side, we have to write two numbers that give us 21 in the product. So it's 21 and 1, for example, yeah? But it's not appropriate because this lines is going to be used for multiplication. So 2x times 1 plus x times 21 equals to 23x. And this number must to be equal to this number. And you see that it is not equal. It means that we have to change another two numbers, yeah? So initially it looks like challenging, but it is not. If you will understand the skill, you will solve it very fast. So let's try 7 and 3, and now let's check. So x times 7, we use this way, so x times 7, and 2x times 3 plus 2x times 3, and now let's calculate. So it is 7x plus 6x is equal to 13, right? 13. Okay, it's not appropriate again, 13x, because it's not equal, yeah? And let's switch, but it's pretty close, yes, pretty close. And let's try to switch. So now we will use 3 and 7. So we will use 3 and 7. Now let's try one more time. So 3x plus 14x. Now you see it is 17. Yeah, it matches. It means that we have to put in our brackets the expression x plus 3, because 3 was plus, and x plus 7. So 2x plus 3 and x plus 7. Okay? Oh, to practice with this type of the questions, let's turn to the next question. Here, let's try to solve this question as well. So 12, there are different types of the factors in the left side, yeah? So 12, it is 3 and 4, 6 and 2, 12 and 1, and we have to choose which pair we will use. Let's start with 12 and 1, for example, yeah? 12 and 1, so 12x and 1x, here 3 and 1. So obviously, this pair is not appropriate, because we will have 12x plus 1. Let's write it down. 12 times x times 1, yeah? So this way, 1. Oh yeah. And x plus 3, x times 3. So we'll have 12x plus 3x, yeah? So we have 15x, but we have to have 13x. If we will switch it, it will be not also appropriate. You can try by yourself. So we are just canceling this approach, yeah? And now straightforward, what if we will use the first approach? Let's try to use the first approach. Don't worry if you have obtained the wrong answers, it's fine. So you should practice, and then everything will be good. So 3 and 1. Let's try this way. What we will have? We will have 3x plus 12x. So it's again 15, yeah? Okay, it's not appropriate. Then let's switch 3 and 1. So let it be 1 and 3. Now you see it works. So now 9x plus 4x is 13x. And it matches. Again, it means that we can make two brackets, 3x plus 1 and 4x plus 3. So 3x plus 1 and 4x plus 3. Okay, and last question in this video is this one, based on this topic, okay? So here again we do the same thing, and let's try 3x and 3x. So we will have what, 12 and then 12. So in this example, negative 12. Negative 12 is possible pairs negative 4 and 3, 4 and negative 3, then negative 6 and 2, 6 and negative 2. Okay, let's try with 4 and 3. So 4 and 3, and one of them should be with minus, so 9x, yeah, 3x, I will write this way properly, times 3 plus 3x times negative 4. Okay, so we will have 9x minus 12x. It's negative 3x. Very close here, because we have 3x and negative 3x, but it's not matched. That's why let's switch the sign. Let's switch sign here, so it will be negative 3. And now let's try one more time. So it will be minus 9x plus 12x. So it is 3x, and this 3x matches. Oh, well done. So it is our factors are 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 3. Okay, and these factors could be simplified further, because we can make 3 out of brackets in the second bracket. So let's make it this way: 3x plus 4 and x minus 1. Okay, try another approach, guys. Exactly for this question, you can try to make 3 out of brackets first. Yeah, look here. So we can make 3 out of brackets: x 3x squared plus x minus 4. And now you can try to factorize this straightforward and compare with this solution. I think it's a bit faster. Okay, and one bonus question, guys. Bonus question: how to factor these kind of expressions if we have two terms. If we have two terms and you see that these terms could be represented as 5 squared x squared minus 4 squared. So that's why we can make 5x squared according the rule, yeah? Let me write the rule somewhere here. Bn equals to ab in power n. Okay, this is a rule. Let's use this rule, and that's how we obtained this first term. Okay, now minus 4 squared, and now here we see that we will use another formula: difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Okay, and our a is 5x and b is 4. And now let's just use this formula to show that it could be written in this way: 5x minus 4 and 5x plus 4, according to this formula. Okay, and you see that finally we get factors. So we have two factors. We have factorized this expression. So connecting the first question and the answer, we will say that it is equal to 5x minus 4 times 5x plus 4. Okay, well done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you need any other questions or make other videos, any topics related to the math, please write in the comments. I will be happy to make a video special for you. Okay, have a nice day, enjoy, see you in the next video. Bye.